Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about how to solve Bluetooth problems in Redmi phones. If you have problems in pairing or any other problem, before proceeding further, if you are the first on this channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video and also press the bell icon. So let's start. Click on settings. Scroll down, you can see a system setting on your phone. Here is an option called reset options. Click on it. Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth, click on it. Reset settings, then password, reset setting. It will reset your Bluetooth setting and it will works. I hope after watching this video you got some value from this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel and also like the video.